Right, so we've got homeschooling farmer style. The boys are supposed to be at school today. Little man down here. Jack's behind the camera. I'm milking. And they're going to do a little bit, well, Jack's going to try and do his own little farm video today. Is that right, Jack?
Yep.
What do you think you're going to film?
Feeding the calves and what
Let me just turn the camera and show Jack.
And what I normally do sometimes.
You're going to bottle feed a calf, aren't you?
Yeah.
I help.
And you're helping?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I hold it so it doesn't hit him.
Hit him?
Yeah. In case it gets his tail out.
Right, I don't think it's going to happen. Right, okay. So I'm going to leave you to it.
Yeah. I'm going to go do a bit of tour now.
Bit of tour, are you?
Yeah, I'm just going to show them a bit of feeding.
Alright, go show a bit of feeding.
Alright. Around the back we go. We've got a load of calves in there. No pain, no gain. And here's our milking herd. Sorry about the filming. No pain, no gain. This ain't almost been milk time.
What?
Got a load of cows and calves in there. We've got an entire round bale. Starting to dry up a bit now.
Oh, there's a birdie.
Which is good, because the cows will be going out soon. In about 6 weeks, you know.
There's no cows in here.
Bed in.
Oh, yeah, they're all in here.
They like the silage because it's all nice and fresh. I'll try and get a close up for you. I might all stop eating. Stay there, Harry. Right. So now we're going to go down to some of the calves I nicked after. I bedded down this morning because my brother wasn't even awake. So I'm going to go around to the backyard here. Lovely, some fields that are green up now. Hey, where are you going? Some hay bales. See if I can get them chewing the cud. Beautiful. So you've got a mix of them. They all like me. Ellie, you won't believe this, but as soon as I go to this thing normally, hopefully I actually do it on camera. When I go to this thing, here, it will jump up. Or they don't do it on camera. But normally that one there is running from about over there. No, here. No one. No. I'll just go down. So I bedded this all down this morning. Right. This one here won't move. She loves me. Oops, I got it on Zoom. Sorry about that. Loves a good itch behind the ears. And cows like that. Find it ticklish. Beautiful. Alright. There's my problem. What's he doing? And here goes. Slope it. Nope it actually. You can tell by the mud colour starting to dry up. It's good.
Go this way.
Huh?
I'm going this way.
Alright.
Get a high view. Like a bird. Like a bird's eye view.
We won't get a bird's eye view because that's in the air. Don't take this, I'll open it if you want.
Okay.
Alright. Right. So. Ladies first.
Gents just before. Ah, now you're a little oh, look at the reflection. Yeah. Have you seen the reflection on here, Jack? Okay. Jack can. Okay. Right.
So,
I'm going on this one first.
these are dry cows. Yeah. Some eating there. Now I'll clean these out tomorrow, I think. Or my dad might do.
Let's get
I
in.
might not do. No, don't get in.
Oh,
You haven't got adult supervision.
oh my god.
And you always need adult supervision. Take that.
Okay.
Ugh.
Whoa. Hang on, I need to. How do you need to zoom in on that cow's foot because it's sunk right down. Have you
Hasn't.
seen it? Yes, it has.
This is foot. I got stuck in that bit down there.
Ah. See.
Put a new bail out. You can climb in if you want.
Can we go up
But
there?
I wouldn't. No, not up there.
Bird's eye.
Mate, that's just no. If you fall, you're dead.
I don't care.
Mate,
I'm
no.
going.
No, don't you dare.
Oh yeah. You too scared.
Grab you by the wrist.
Okay.
And I will take you.
Okay.
And just put you on that.
Ah.
Sit on your bum.
Okay, I'm going.
Bye.
Bye, I'm going on the bird's eye view.
It's a bit of a hard gate, this one.
You want to do it one-handed as well.
I think I got it. Sorry, the camera might not be that great.
Let me to hold it.
I'll go one-handed, how about that? Sure, my brother can't even do the gate. I'll just close it.
I got it.
Right, you can close it. Alright, let's go. Now we'll go through the cars. Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Still our barns. With all cows in there. Cows should be going out in about 6 weeks. 6 or 7 weeks. So, could be a video about then, of when the cows go out. Around then, I'll be helping, probably in the morning. The school's still closed. Yeah. It's nice and dry now. Quite dusty as well. Don't know if you saw that dust that just came up. Can't you open the gate? Oh, mate, I can do it one-handed. Right. So in here, got some big ones. I had to padlock it up quite a bit. You see how much they've eaten their cake. Here they are. We haven't eaten anything. Make sure it didn't get out. Just the cake we give them. You've had a nibble at it.
Yeah, I'm just by the door. Right. Hey.
Just leave that. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Okay. Hey, it's been dehorned.
Yeah, it's being dehorned.
Oh, eating straight overhand.
Oh, it's got a bit of sandpaper on it. You want cake? I did these ones down this morning as well. Right, let's go.
Okay.
You hold this and I'll... Right, no, what are you doing?
The fork's there.
Just hold on to that. Now to get the hole. There you go. No pain, no gain. Yeah, how to do this? Right.
There you go.
Put that back.
Okay. You're going in here.
So they've eaten any of their cake? Nope, they've eaten anything. That is not good. If they don't eat, that's not good. We recently actually, about 2 months ago, cleaned this barn out actually. There's a video on that if you want to see that on YouTube. All these barns are linked up actually. So you can look at the wall, look at one big barn. Like, where the straws kept. So this one here, we just put it in it yesterday. It's the new one. We've got 2 other ones. We've got a bit of a poorly calf here, which I'll be bottle feeding. It's quite hungry tonight. A bit of like some stuff to make it.
Oh my god! It's pulled the whole rack down. It's pulled the whole rack down.
Alright, I need to get him. Alright,
Get
can't get any food and water, that's not good.
food, water,
Right.
just a little slowly. It's standing on it, mate. What do you want to do?
Yes. Do you want to go Dad in a minute?
Yeah. Hold the camera recorder.
Turn it off, it's a bit of a catastrophe.
Okay.
So if you could see, like all the other ones, they got it good. And then this one has got it down. I'll see what I can do. It might be get a bit scared. That's the only problem, you see. Oh, it's got a wedgie. Oh, don't stand on that net. Don't stand on the nail. Come here, girl. I'll do it for you. I'll turn you guys off now. And we're back live. So this one here, it is a bit poorly, and it's on a bit of, well, it's got diarrhea at the moment because it had a twin, but the other one sadly died, which was not nice because I remember that, and everyone loves calves. Who doesn't? So yeah, that one died. These are quite small. This one here we just moved in about two days ago. Yeah, that was it. And that one's already bigger than this one here, and it's quite hungry, so we have to feed it out of thingy. They're giving it cake just to get its body a bit stronger. In fact, I could do a bit more in there. But yeah, take that a minute.
Yep.
Yeah, so we're putting it on a cow bowl. We're putting it on some medicine. just to make it a bit better. It's not having any milk at the moment, so that's why it's really hungry. This milk does not make it better. The younger ones, you don't want too much cake, because otherwise they just slobber all over it, and they will not make it nice. In fact, I might have to put a bit of water in that. Because I haven't got any water in that. Put a little bit in. Some medicine, but it's not meant to drink, but you can tell it's very thirsty. I'll just put about that much, is good enough. Just give it a bit of a drink. And now it might go straight on this, and it might not. Almost. Milk. Oh, you like your cake, do you? Right. Buy coffees. And then we end up with our handprints. End up with the cows again! Yay! Who does not like cows? And here's Dad.
Here's Dad. Turn the radio off. Here's Dad in the milking parlour doing the grafting.
Can we get our
That's you! I've got coronavirus!
Yeah, but I've done a tour on the entire farm with the cows.
Have you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I even went back.
Wow, around the back. What does everyone think?
I don't know.
Nice sunny day.
Yeah, telling them how it's getting nice and dry. Anyway, bye for now.
Bye.